Right, guys, we're live. I think the mic should be all right. Yeah, seems all right, the mic. All right, welcome to a new week, guys. Welcome back to another live stream of NQ Trading, live in real time, trading gamma flow. Gamma exposure, order flow, and we are trading volume profile. All right, it's a bit laggy, isn't it? This stream looks a bit laggy. Camera looks a bit laggy. Yeah, it looks a bit laggy. Anyways, it's all right as long as you guys can see the screen. That's what matters. Did a little bit of analysis already on the market today. We opened with a gap down, massive gap down. We've taken previous day lows. We're trading nicely back inside. I was gonna long here, but I had to nip out, so I didn't take the long. I was gonna take the long at the value area low here after this wild sell-off today, but we are back inside value area low, so there's an 80% chance we rotate to the value area high. So we could drop at the open here. What the hell's going on? All right, at the open we could drop and then rally, but there is an 80% chance that we do rally when we open. If we open inside this value, the 80% chance we rotate back to the value area high, at which point you're probably looking at previous day highs. All right, so I am looking to take a long pretty soon. Okay, I'm looking to take a long. I think we're looking quite bullish today. If not, then we will have to wait today. Okay, we will have to wait because yeah, look at that previous week naked LVN. What a key level that is. We'll probably have to wait. We've already had a sweep, so I don't think this level is going to be very strong. I'll be waiting for this level. This is the A plus, guys. All right, this is the A plus setup. So that's what we're gonna do, keeping it very simple. We've got 5 minutes until open. Give me a second, guys. Switch you over to ATAS screen. Oh, that's a tilted camera. I don't know what's going on here. Properties. Don't know why that's tilted. Apologies, guys. Right. Don't know what's going on here, guys. All right. This is not making a lot of sense. So it's not making a lot of sense here, guys. With this camera. Okay, so I'm upside down, but give us a sec, guys. Got a couple of things to do here. All right, so core plan has been discontinued. That's what notification I just got. I was going to buy another eval, and it appears that the plan has been discontinued. Staying off the screen. Let's go back on here. Let's delete this. Let me just try this one more time. Or a nightmare. OBS is a bit of a nightmare, isn't it? See if this works. Right. All right. All right, so that should be all right now. That should be fine. We're 1 minute away from the open here, guys, and market is super bullish here. So I am looking to take a long trade. I'm probably going to take a long trade here. All right, so I am going long here at the open, looking for a move to the value area high. We are open. Sweep the high, so I'm just gonna stay out for a minute. Market is rotating back down, or trying to rotate back down. Bit of a sloppy open because we have FOMC as well this week, so might not be very clean until after the FOMC. I think there is a bit of a lag in the camera. Let me see. Sorry about this, guys. The market is rallying here at the open. Yeah, I think the market is going to keep going here, guys. I really think it's going to keep going. Okay. Hopefully that's better. All right, so we're rallying here, guys. All right. I expect the market to continue to rally here. As I said, pre-market, once we got the rotation back into value area low, which is this area here, 673, there is an 80% chance we now rally we're past the point of control. So there is now an 80% chance that we rotate all the way to the highs of 832. ES is pretty much above already. It's super bullish. It's already taken previous day high. So ES is on a moon mission here. Yeah, so there is a little catch-up trade here for the NQ. Yeah, super strong still. ES is still going. CYSPX, yes, rallying. QQQ, still rallying. SPY is going crazy right now. ES is going to go and sweep the previous week high here, by the looks of it, before it comes down, maybe. And let's keep an eye on it. Yeah, it's just gone past previous week high. NQ still going. Still super strong here. We still got another 40 odd points here to go on the NQ. So I think this is going to keep going here. Short stars trying to come in, they're getting absorbed like crazy right now. Oof, that is a lot of absorption. Went straight through a massive short order just came in, just got absolutely smashed straight through. Bulls are super aggressive here. Really aggressive by the bulls. They're squeezing the life out of these shorts right now. Shorts are getting really squeezed out. Hi Bathal, welcome. A lot of shorts are coming in. A lot of shorts are coming in. Yes, it's pulling back a bit. Still think they're going to keep squeezing them. Yes, is a monster today. Yeah, this is wild price action here, guys. This is super bullish. You cannot short this. NQ's not done with the upside here yet. Still got a way to go. Still got a way to go. Let's see crypto. Yeah, Bitcoin's getting a bit of a bounce. Saw the alts. I've been taking an absolute battering lately. Yeah, still going. Okay. All right. Yeah, NQ still going here. ES is still going. ES has got a gap and go. What about QQQ? No gap on QQQ. Yeah, no gap. Gap filled. Okay. All right, NQ still going here. Absolutely killer bullish. Killer bullish. Going straight for that value area high. Yeah, going straight for it. It's not a place to short here, guys. Yeah, still going here. All right. Nice and bullish so far. But yeah, there you go. Right on the value area high, guys. Look at this. What did I say to you? Look at this, guys. Right at the previous day value area high, we just got a little rejection. I told you, once we got into the value area low and we started closing candles, 80% chance we close and rotate to the value area high, and that's exactly what just happened. Okay, guys. That is beautiful. That's the power of volume profile. That doesn't mean this is just going to collapse back down. It just means, yeah, this is a form of resistance. It's probably just resistance to go higher, to be honest. A little pullback before we go higher. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, there's also a gamma level there as well. So, and look at this gamma level. Also acted as support here at the open. Just rallied. Massive rally. Let's see where we are on the bands. Yeah, the bands are miles higher. So at least should get to like 870s. This thing should get to the 870s. That will be above the previous week high. Yeah, this thing is a rocket ship today, guys. Rocket ship. Bitcoin is trying to rally. See where silver is. Silver must be mooning as well, I bet. Look at this thing, guys. 109 on silver. Wow. Wow, this is ridiculous. This thing is just ridiculous right now. Man. Wow. It's crazy, guys. Look at ES. Yeah, it looks like new all-time highs is around the corner here. Not far. Not far. Spy on a moon mission. QQQ also on a moon mission now. Yes. This is might be one of those days where it looks like a trend day. All right, it's turning into a trend day. So, what's up, K-Dog? How's it going, bro? I bet you're not feeling too good after what we did to you. I can't believe what we did to you, man. It's crazy what we did to you. K-Dog's not in a good mood today after what United did to him. Yes, K-Dog. Well, you guys are feeling some nerves. I think you're feeling a bit nervous. I can see it in the body language of Arsenal. To be honest, man, you guys fucking, I don't know, man. Weird team. You're so solid defensively, and you score scrappy ass goals though. That's what I don't like about Arsenal. You just score set pieces all the time. I don't really see like really nice intricate football and some really nice, nice goals. Just like lob it in the box and see what happens. Set piece kings. We played well, man. I was fucking shocked with that. Felt like the old United. We've always struggled at the ground as well. We never, like, you know, even when we were at our best winning titles, that ground was always a tough ground for us. Yeah, but the thing is, yeah, but everybody used to park the bus against Man City as well when they were winning titles. Man City still scored beautiful goals though. They weren't just lobbing it in the box. They didn't have a big guy in there. It's only Haaland now. When they were winning leads with Aguero, they were still playing beautiful football. I had to break teams down. You guys are very like old school. Like, you know how football used to be played when we were growing up. Very physical. Get crosses in the ball, box, deliveries in the box, that kind of thing. Which is cool, but I like beautiful football. I really like beautiful football, intricate, beautiful football. I like the Man City football, me. I don't really like that type of football. Yeah, I love physical football, but you know, I like it where you see beautiful goals like the tiki-taka Barcelona style. What we used to see under Guardiola. I used to love that. Don't get me wrong, I do like a physical battle as well. But you still want to see good football. With Arsenal, I've not watched them like that much in the season, but every time I do watch them, it's like they score with set pieces. Most of the time. Let's see where ES is. ES is miles above previous week high here, guys, so there's no sweeper liquidity and coming back down. So if you're looking for a long trade setup, you're looking from here around the 770s to take this higher if we get it. Might not get it actually, who knows. Yeah, man, disappointing with the my funded futures. They've stopped the core plan. They've discontinued with it. It was a good cheap plan that went under the radar a bit. It went under the radar. A lot of people were not talking about that plan. It was such a good plan, $77, a $3,000 payout cap. That's fantastic. It was such a good plan. A bit disappointed they just discontinued it. Yeah. So now they've only got 3 plans available. Rapid plan and Pro plan. Rapid plan is 157 with the 20% discount is like 130. And the rapid plan has got daily payouts. $127, that's expensive, man, compared to 77 that they used to have. See, Tradeify's got consistency though, I think. EVAL profit target 2500, 40% consistency, 111 per month. No consistency. Yeah, they've got consistency rules. $111 per month. You got 40% consistency during eval, no consistency. Max payouts 1,000 though per day, and 3,000, 111 per month. That's not too bad. And you got TPT. Let's take a look at. No, that's not it. Take profit trader. They've got consistency rules. So Lucid, let's have a look at that. Never. I've never had an account with Lucid. One-time payment, Lucid Flex. No daily loss account activation is free. No consistency funded. Five-day to payout. Yeah, it looks like a trend day. It does. $91. 50% consistency. This is a Lucid Flex. Why is everybody buzzing over Lucid Black? Get paid up to double on your second payout. Need to learn some more. Yeah, that's crazy, man. The core plan got stopped. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a trend day, maybe like an inside day until tomorrow, and then Wednesday you got the FOMC. Then after that, I think we get all-time highs soon on the S&P 500. I think Nasdaq is due an all-time high, man. It's been trading sideways for 3 months now, the Nasdaq. So I think Nasdaq is due an all-time high. Yeah, Nasdaq's about to push through the previous week high right now. Yeah, it's spiked through it. There we go. We can't be too far away now. Yeah, just over 3% for Nasdaq now to put in new all-time highs. Hasn't put in new all-time highs in 3 months, which is nuts, man. Which is nuts. Yeah, still going. VIX is collapsing. ES is still going as well. SPX is still going. Yeah, really nice and bullish. SPY looking a little bit bearish. Looks like it wants to come down a bit. Gotta be careful though, long in, because we really haven't built any support here. So it could come down, build some support, and then go higher. So you gotta be careful. So we are swept. For bulls, it needs to kind of remain above the 800s. Otherwise, we might start rotating back down. Might do one of these. Huge sell order is 900s. Yeah, 900s. It's probably where it goes before it comes back down. That would be nice though, because if it goes to 900 and then comes back, I'll be a lot more confident to long it. Long in here, I don't know. That's a risky long. That's going to be a risky long. I'd rather see a big push, then a back test, and then I can long that. Whether it goes to new highs at that point or not, I don't really care, because I've got my 50-60 points. You get me, right? So we go to 900, we retrace to 800. I can play a 50-point bounce. I don't really care if it goes to new highs after that. I'm just playing this little piece. You understand? Right now, I'm not confident, because what if we don't make new highs and that's the high and we just rotate back down, right? So if you're long in here, you're essentially saying we're going to make new highs to get 50-60 point bounce. I'd rather see a bigger push and then a drop to 800 for a possible long trade for 50-60 points and get out. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, man. 100%, I agree with you. You're 100% right. Just sit out. 100%, bro. That's exactly what I'm going to do as well. I'm just going to sit out. I'm not going to click any buttons. I'm just going to chill. Just watch what happens here. Because I ain't trying to get my... I'm not trying to get caught with my pants down here, man. You know what I mean? This is rallied. Nobody knows where it's gonna go next. But if it went to 900 to this point of control and then we got the move down, I'd be a lot more confident of getting a piece back to the upside, even as a little retracement back up. I'll be a lot more confident saying, okay, I can long here 50-60 points at that point. Because what you don't expect to see is a 100-point move, right? No, sorry, goes to 900 and then we just crash 200 points without a bounce somewhere, right? I like at least a 50-point bounce. So usually that's how you see it, even if it's going to sell off 200 points. So usually what would happen is you come down, you bounce here 50 points, you chop around, and then you come down, right? So you're playing this bounce. So the probability of you catching something here long it's a good chance you'll be successful on a trade like this, even if you don't push to new highs. So you're only after this piece here. Right now, it can just crash straight down, and then do this, and then do this. And if you're long in here, you caught with your pants down. All right, 1 second, guys. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, so right now I can see this order flow is struggling a bit here. It looks like it might start retracing. It's a bit indecisive. It's a bit indecisive. Although they're trying to absorb shorts, they are trying to absorb shorts because we got low hanging fruit right in front of us. If you see here, right, we've got all this low hanging fruit here. So it makes sense for the market just to come up and just clear this order book and then come back down. But I could see that they're struggling. Right, this is not clean. Even the move up it's not been clean move. It's been more of a squeezy move to the upside. Clean move is usually you'll just see green bars with no tail. It just means it's very, very directional move, similar to this. This is a much cleaner move to the upside. This is more of a short squeeze move, more of a squeezy move. So, limit orders can only squeeze for so long. But it still looks like it's gonna squeeze because shorts keep coming in, not really getting rewarded. They're getting absorbed, so we're probably still gonna keep squeezing. I'd hope it does keep squeezing to 900, then we get a pullback, and then I can go long. That'll be much better. That's kind of what I want to see here. So let's see if we can get that live. So Lucid, guys. All right, Lucid. K-Dog, just a question for you. Who are you using as your prop firm right now? Who have you been getting all these payouts from? Because me, I just use my funded futures, but I'm kind of disappointed that they've got rid of the core plan. It used to cost me $77 for an EVA. So who are you using? And what are you paying? Top Step, wow. But you got to use Top Step X, don't you? Take Profit Trader is a bit expensive, no? Yeah, Project X. Don't like Project X, man. The shortages that they've had when it goes down. Have they helped you when you've lost money with the outages that they've had on Top Step X? Five days to pass. Yeah. 5 days to pass an eval. 5 free eval accounts. Wow. That's crazy, bro. 5 days to pass. That's crazy. What about Top Step? So Top Step has consistency? $49 a month and $129 when you pass. Oh, they got no activation fee as well. Top Step now. $89 a month. %, standard, yeah. $49 a month and then $129 when you pass it. All right. That'll cost you $180 for an account. Man, that's so expensive, bro. Wow, that core plan was amazing. What about on at the funded stage? Did they have consistency at the funded stage? Top Step. I think Lucid Flex is looking all right. $91. Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex. Okay, Lucid Flex. Funded. Max loss limit, scaling max size. Okay. Okay, payouts. Minimum daily profit 150. %50 off profit up to $2,000. Yeah, I know I've done that loads of times, bro. I'll put promises in place. Nice, bro. So you want to go for Lucid, huh? Lucid is Maximum payout is 2K though, per account. Lucid Black. Funded accounts. It's got 40% consistency, Lucid Black. So Lucid Black maximum payout is 1500. Why the hell people love this account? I don't get it. Seems like Lucid Pro is a better account, or Lucid Flex is a better account. It has 50% consistency during the eval. Or $70 for a 25K account. And what's the maximum payout on a 25K? $1,000 is the maximum. And it's every Friday, 5 days. As NQ's had a little pullback. It's recovered. See silver. Silver just made new highs. Ridiculous. Bitcoin's moving higher as well. After hitting the value area low. This was the value area low on Bitcoin. You look BTC USD. Yeah, look. Bitcoin hit the value area low. Now it has, before this this move here, I was not confident in that move because it didn't quite get to value area low. So we've had a full rotation down. Now, if this holds, we've got a good chance of rotating to 92K before, and ultimately it comes straight back down. Or if you want to see higher prices, it has to hold above value area high. That's pretty simple. But it's looking a lot better now, in my opinion. Bitcoin, after clearing the volume profile back into value area low. ETH as well. I think ETH hit value area low as well. It's got a better chance. ETH, USDT. NQ just made new high. This. Yeah. Let's move this out of the way. So yeah, ETH also, you can see it came down, front ran the value area low, got this bounce, and then obviously that was the fake move. Now we've got the real move, and I think ETH now definitely has a chance of going for that value area high. It's getting past the point of control. Your next level on ETH is going to be this value area high at 32.53. Okay, if it starts consolidating above, we've got a chance of higher prices. Look, you can tell it did that before, it failed. Okay, so this is what they call a failed auction. All right, and we went straight back to value area low. Now it has a chance to get up there and do it again if it's going to be bullish. My stream's lagging a bit by the looks of it. I think it's lagging a bit. Whereas ES is still on a moon mission. Move this. Yeah, man, this is crazy. NQ's crazy right now. Any news on NQ? UK businesses benefit from long-run 11 billion lending package to help them invest and expand abroad. Wow. Go on, UK businesses. Yes, it's just going, guys. Yes, it's just going. What a wow. This is wild. Yeah, let's get to 900. To this naked PLC come down, then we can go long. Crypto is in extreme fear at the moment. The fear and greed index. Just gonna time out a minute, get a coffee and come back. We're back. We are back. I want to see NQ at the 800s. Just a second. All right, market's trying to pull back a bit. Link hasn't rotated back to the value area low yet. I think this is gonna push down. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Still think it's gonna hit 1950 before it comes back down to probably around 6 or 7. I do think there's a trade from here to here. It's a big bounce. %70-odd. That'll be a big bounce. Well, I can see that happening if Bitcoin goes to 100. Okay, NQ getting a pullback. $890s. VWAP is all the way down to 730. Let's put on the anchored. 806. Anchor it from here. Yeah, this might be a trade. I might look to play this. Back up to the point of control. Yeah, that might be a trade. Right now, we just opened a new 30-minute candle. So yeah. All right, I'll probably play this if we get down here. But this is by no means an A+ trade, guys. All right, this is a B setup. So I'm gonna go low risk on this. All right, because we could be starting to trade down. This delta is not the strongest in the world, so you know we could get a trend shift, but it's something that we could trade, give it a go, and if it doesn't work out, then we're gonna have to wait for a lot lower pricing. But for me, in my opinion, if they're gonna keep making higher highs, higher lows, and keep this bullish trend going for today, then this is kind of needs to hold here. All right, to remain bullish, keep going looking for higher prices. So I think I think bulls will defend and try their best to defend here. Well, that's kind of the psychology behind this trade. We want to remain above this anchored VWAP to remain bullish. Well, we may not come down. That's fine. We just wait until we do. Right, so we could come back up there and then come back down later. That's all right. But we will just wait today. So K-Dog has put some parameters in place to avoid blowing up, which is excellent, K-Dog. Excellent stuff, mate. You said you put parameters in place so you don't blow up. So yeah, that's amazing, bro. That's amazing. You definitely know what you're doing, bro. You definitely know what you're doing. Because I think the previous experience with your poker stuff, I think that really helps you. I really think it's helped you. Yeah, but sometimes that's all you need, isn't it? Sportsbook, right? I must have mixed you up with someone. There's a guy playing, the guy who's trading and used to be a poker player, professional poker player, a trader as well. I can't remember who it was, but there was someone. But you're doing well with the psychology part. Sometimes, that's all you need to be a successful trader. It's just to have good psychology. 5K. That would be wild. Just to make £10, $10. Kind of risk reward is that? Yeah, no. I bet on boxing a few times back in the days when Floyd Mayweather used to be in the game. He's like a guaranteed winner on every fight. Yeah, futures is easier. Yeah, yeah. Man, I'm getting neck pain, you know. Sitting down on this computer. Really bad neck pain. I think I gotta sit upright. Yeah. That's the highest it goes. All right. Yeah, this looking down thing is just really fucked up with our posture and necks and everything. Everybody's just fucking tilted. Every person you see now is just tilted because they're always looking down on their phones. And, you know, everybody's got a desk job. Yeah. Yeah. Hunchbacks, yeah. NQ's going for new highs here. Oh, and there's a big chance of a government shutdown at the end of the month as well. 31st, 68% chance of a government shutdown on January 31st. What level are you watching to go long? The long is from around here. So around 788, 790 level. Okay. That's the area I'm looking to go long. And I'll be taking it up to about 845, 840s if we get it. Alright, per hour. Okay, assets are starting to pull back. Bitcoin is starting to pull back here. A real big pullback on Bitcoin. Really big pullback. I can expect some consolidation here before you get the move to the value area high at 92, then come back down. This government shutdown thing isn't really good. It's not going to do you any favors. We don't think it's going to last as long as the last one. Yeah, so market's all right trading here right now in this area. It's comfortable. It's where the big point of control is. So hopefully when we test the other side of value, we can hold to be bullish. If it loses this, then you know a lot of volume is stuck here, and we're probably gonna trap them and go all the way back down here. But we're leaning on the bulls to defend and bring it back into range. So that's the idea behind this trade. VWAP is all the way down to 736, which is way down there. Yeah, that for me is not right. I don't think you can wait that low. That would be way too low for this trend to be remain bullish. I think if it hits 736, I think it's curtains. I think we're coming down at that point, even if we bounce from VWAP. Because you can't expect us to do this. I mean, you can, but the chances of that is a lot lower. I think you want to remain bullish, you kind of need to do it from here. But right now, it's looking bullish again. See what ES is doing, it's kind of the same thing. Let's pull anchor view up on this. Alright, this has got a long way down. Spy. Copy. Yeah, SPY's trying to hold this bullish market structure. NQ's trying to rally as well. So this makes new highs. It's probably going to take a while for this to come back down. Yeah, it's probably going to consolidate, then have a quick flush. Then we can look to play that back higher. Well, that's probably going to be off stream. Excuse me. Right, NQ's in squeeze mode. So we are just gonna wait. So yeah, I provided an explanation earlier as to why I want a 900 tap and then a retrace back towards 800. Okay, this is gonna go on tap 900, and then I want a retrace to 800. Now this is shifted higher, so this is now gonna line up with 800, the anchored VWAP, whilst NQ goes to 900. And now what we hope for is a retrace from 900 to 800. We go long for a 50-point bounce. Okay, why do we do that? Because you don't expect a 200-point collapse in one candle, right? Because even if this was gonna go down all the way, right, you still expect a bounce and then a retrace back down, especially with the VIX below midpoint. We're above SPX 0 gamma, which is way down here. Okay, and we're in a very, very bullish market structure. Okay, and we've got a lot of sticky gamma today. All right, we've got all these gamma levels in the middle, which are all going to be providing support today. Okay, so you can see if this fails, we can wait until this gamma level that's sitting right on top of the value area low for another possible long trade. All right, so you got multiple accounts, you got multiple opportunities to go long today. So that's your lesson for today. We're going to wait until this comes down, gives us our pivot, and we can go long. All right, because we have missed the long today. I did go long a little. I did place a little long, but yeah, I closed it out, started retracing, and then, you know, it took me out for like 10 12 points. No big deal, but I didn't re-enter long. Okay, I didn't re-enter long, even though there was an 80% chance here. Or where were we here? No, we were here, right? Yeah, we were here. Yeah, we were here. Sorry, what am I talking about? We were here, yeah. We here, we opened. We had an 80% chance of rotating to value area high. That was my idea, because we've got back inside value, yesterday's value area low, and we had an 80% chance of rotating to value area high. So, and that is what transpired here. Okay. So that was the idea at the open. If I had held, I would have been successful, but I thought we might retrace a little bit further down, and that would have been a nasty little stop out. So I was waiting for another, you know, a little bit of a deeper retrace to go long. It didn't happen. I just started rallying. All right, but the idea is correct. Okay, we get back inside previous day value area low, we rotate to value area high. 80% probability of that happening. All right, so NQ's almost at 900. This is a very nice bullish move here. So we wait. I'm gonna wrap this stream up in about 5 minutes time. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go have some dinner, just relax. I'll set an alert at 800. I'll set it a bit earlier than that. All right, if it comes down to 800, I'll go long. All right. But you know the idea, and you know the reason why I'm gonna do it. All right, guys. Oh, that's pretty much it. Let's see what Bitcoin's up to. Not really recovered. Sorry guys, I just had to take a phone call there, but nothing's happening here, and I think I am going to wrap up the stream here, guys. All right, but at least you've taken a little bit of a lesson today of why I'm waiting for this level to go along, the idea behind it. So yeah, each day I'm trying to pass off a educational tip, so to speak. All right, anyways guys, I am feeling hungry and I am gonna go and fill my stomach now. All right, so thanks for watching guys, and I will see you next time, which is tomorrow. Peace out guys.